Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the account locked on Coinbase in 2026. Is your Coinbase account locked and you can't access your funds? Don't panic. Here's exactly how to fix it step by step. Now as you can see on my screen, this might be the error you might be encountering. It says, blocked, you are currently blocked, please reach out to our customer service team if you believe this is a mistake. And it has the button, try again. Now, what does this mean? It means an account lock usually happens because too many failed login attempts, suspicious login activity, and security protection triggers. Now, to fix it, you're gonna first check your email. You're gonna look for an email from Coinbase explaining why your account was locked. Also, make sure to reset your password. You're gonna go to the login page and when you sign in, click on Forget Password, then create a strong new password you haven't used before. You can also complete the identity verification. If prompted, upload your ID to confirm your identity. And also, secure your account. You can enable or re-enable the two-factor authentication for added security. After that, you're gonna contact the support if needed, like the message says. Just contact the support and submit a support ticket with your details. Also, avoid logging in with VPNs or unfamiliar device during recovery. This can delay unlocking. And that's it. That's how you fix a locked Coinbase account. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.